So in this problem, on the first card, you have a 1 in 4 chance, you have 4 choices there, that it's going to be a letter M. Now, assuming that that's a letter M, you now have a 1 in 3 chance that it's going to be a letter A. So 1 in 3. And then you have T and H left. You have a 1 in 2 chance that it's going to be a T. So there's 2 possibilities there. And then finally, if the others are all correct, there's a 1 chance right there that it's going to be an H. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply all of these together, and you end up with 24 possible outcomes. So you have 24 possible outcomes, and there's only one way for it to be M-A-T-H, so your answer is 1 over 24. There's a 1 in 24 chance of that happening.